Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT and in today's video we're gonna be doing a little photo shoot now that I have some free time and the weather has finally cleared up. Honestly, our weather right here in Washington has been the shittiest weather I've ever been in. Like, honestly, Washington, you have to quit being a bee and just stay with one weather. Stick with one weather, because sometimes it feels like winter, sometimes it feels like summer, and sometimes it feels like spring and fall at the same time. Honestly, it's crazy. But right now, the beautiful sun's outside. As you guys can see, it's hitting me right in the face, and it's pretty annoying right now, but it's good lighting, so I need it. And also, it's pretty warm, so we're gonna use this to our advantage right now and go ahead and take some photos. If you guys wanna see how these photos end up, make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram, which is gonna be up here. It's gonna be at itisjt. Go follow me and go check out other pictures that I've uploaded. By the way, just to let you guys know, I'm an independent photographer, so I don't actually get photographed by other people. Like, I don't pay someone to take my pictures. And as you guys can tell, I don't even edit either, because I don't know how to edit like well. So some of the pictures are just raw or are just filtered or stuff like that. And I mean, they look pretty nice to me. And today, guys, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're gonna take some photos of me, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it yourself, so that way you won't have to pay for a photographer and all that stuff. You know, you gotta be your own photographer once in a while, and usually I've been doing it for the past couple years, basically. All right, guys, so as you guys can tell right now, I'm right here in my local park, and there's, oh shoot, oh man, actually, I'm not gonna lie, there's actually some good spots here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm seeing some perfect ones, TBH. So yeah, right now I'm gonna show you guys the equipment you guys need for this. So number one thing you're gonna need for this is this little thing right here. Basically, it's a Bluetooth controller for your phone. With this, you can control your snapshots, or basically the pictures, and from a long distance. That way you can set it in a tripod, and then with this, you just click and you take a picture. It comes in handy a lot of times, especially when you're trying to take selfies or like family portraits or stuff like that. Trust me, guys, you should get one of these. They're like pretty cheap. The other thing you're gonna need, it's of course, big tripod. So big tripods are good for any type of freaking photography session, obviously, because you're gonna have to use it for some angles. And one of the best things about using a big tripod is you can set it up in the way that you want it to, right? If you get a little small tripod, then it's gonna be challenging because you can't get those big photo, like those tough, you know what I mean, right? I'm not a big photographer and all that crap, so I don't know much anyways. And then also you might need some other accessories, which are what other things do you need? Oh, of course, you need to style yourself a little bit. I don't have much style in me, so I just put on whatever and then just take a picture, make myself look nice. That's simply what I do. So yeah, that's everything you need. And then of course you need an editing software or just filters from Instagram or Snapchat, and bam, you just complete your self photographer slash whatever you want to call it. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this out. I'm gonna go set up the camera someplace and then bring you guys along with me. Let's go. Oh man, this sun is gonna kill me, honestly. So the problem with this is when you're filming outside and it's cold, the sun goes down pretty quickly, especially in the winter. So right now I'm running out of sun and it's in a weird angle, so I have to find a perfect spot for this. Jesus, hopefully I don't get eaten by a snake. Oh crap, these shoes are killing me too. And I think I found a good spot. I'm not quite sure, because the good spot's over there, but the sun is aiming this way. So if I take a picture that way, the sun's gonna mess it up. Dang it. All right, so I guess I'm gonna take a picture that way, I guess. Yeah, perfect over there. So if you guys want to see, check it out. So over there, I'm gonna take a picture over there. And right now, as you guys can hear me, I'm shivering because it's freaking cold. See, the things I do for a stupid photo, okay? Jesus. Okay, man. So I got the little thing set up here. I got my phone, I got the tripod, and the controllers in my pocket. So all I gotta do now is turn on, set it up how I want it. And you know, it's a whole process you gotta do when you're doing your own photo shoots, because you know, you got no one. Oh man. Oh man. You got no one to like direct you or anything like that. You're your own director. So, oh my lord. It is cold as a mother freaker. Oh jeez. Okay. That's a perfect view right there. Oh, you guys are seeing that from behind me? Yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna set the tripod over there, right there.
and I'm just gonna take a picture right now. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. But first, I have to test a couple things out. See, that's the thing with this. When you're doing this by yourself, you gotta test a couple things out, and also mute your stupid ass phone, cause yo, I'm honestly freezing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the camera right here. Okay, that's the problem though. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put you guys down. Set that down there. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Let me set this up for y'all, and then I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so I have it set up, and I think it's a perfect view right there. You just can like come close here and watch this. Perfect view. I got the trees in the background, and then I got this little short tree right here. I don't know why. I might have to crop that out or remove it or just switch the little view. I have no idea, but you'll see it. Okay, you're gonna see it, and holy crap, I am freezing my butt cheeks off. Anyways, let's continue. Almost done. Setting up is the longest process of this. It's independent photographer kind of thing. So yeah, anyways, keep going. Now it's time for the posing, so let's pose. Finished with my first set. I am going to take another set of photos. So, oh my gosh, I am still dying of cold. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sun is literally already going down. I want to get a picture over there of like the fog and everything, but the sun is literally going down over there, so it's aiming this way. So all that you're gonna see right now, just watch. See, that's how it's gonna look if I take a picture of that over there, and instead of looking like this, like all bright. And I'm not a professional editor, so I don't know how to remove that stuff, so why bother even try. So let's go ahead and try to find another spot. Oh my gosh. Okay, Jesus, perfect. Okay, so this one, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right that stuff right here. It's gonna, like, I don't know, just like sitting down or something and making it seem like, you know, I'm basically a farmer. A lot of people think I'm a farmer or something because of that stuff. Like, I usually take a lot of photos like out here in the farm, or it's not a farm, but like out here in the land. So people think I'm a farmer, which I am not a farmer, guys. I just live out here in the country and I got nowhere else to take pictures at. All right, so don't judge me. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. I am done with this. I am freezing so hard. I just managed to take a couple of pictures. That's it. I was like just gonna show you guys. Ah man, I'm freezing right now. I am literally freezing. My hands are like shaky, so this camera footage might be shaky. I am sorry. And holy crap, I just took a whole bunch of little like random pictures. Hopefully one of them came out good. I mean, I used raw picture, and then I used some live focus, which is the camera does all the focusing for me. And the raw ones, they came out pretty, like, I mean, nothing at all. My phone didn't fix anything, so I have to go into the editing software and, you know, edit them myself. But holy crap, it's freaking freezing. I just realized something. I didn't brought my wallet with me, so I am driving without my license. By the way, oh shit, I am fudged. Holy crap. Anyways, I should probably just I should probably skip to where I get my license. Anyways, oh, hopefully there's no cops around here. I mean, I'm just driving in my little town. Hopefully there's not a cop. Ah, shoot! How can I forget my wallet? Okay, this is the reason why. This is what happens when I'm in a rush. Okay, I'm always in a rush and I end up forgetting something. All right, just no popos, no popos, no popos. Stop the side, stop sign ahead. Oh, there's a cop. Oh, that's not a cop. Okay, good. Oh, nope, that's not a cop. Okay. Oh, I made it home. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go edit the pictures. Thank you so much for watching. I'll show you. Make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram, and then look at the pictures that I took, and if you give me some feedback on it. Let me know if that's a good idea, what I did there, let me know if it's a good method of taking pictures by yourself. I'm sorry I didn't show you all the steps. It's because, you know, I can't show you the pictures without editing them. I mean, next time, drop a like and I'll show you all the, like, how to set up the perfect view, perfect angle. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, drop a like, and peace out.